Hello and welcome to another video by Econo Insight. This video will discuss GDP per capita. So GDP per capita aims to measure the living standard of a certain country. But note that it is not accurate. It is not an accurate measure, so you don't rely upon it 100%. But it is a rough measure, just to see where we're at. So the formula for GDP per capita is you take the GDP of the country, right? GDP is the output or the income of the country. Same thing, output of the country, GDP of the country. You divide that with the population of the country. So I hope this gives you the intuition, What we're seeing is living standards, right? So we want to see if we divide the output of that country with the population of that country, we could see the output per person of that country, which determines their welfare. So that is the intuition behind this formula. Simply take GDP divided by population and you get GDP per capita. So let me give you a test question. So let's say the question says, if country A could be anything, has a GDP of $10 million, again, this is hypothetical, just for practice, and a population of 1,000, what is its GDP per capita? So let's follow the formula. It equals 10 million, right? 10 million divided by 1,000. 10 million divided by 1,000, you could put a calculator or you could do it by mental math. That gives you $10,000. So $10,000 is the GDP per capita of that country. So that is GDP per capita, and I want to expand further, but feel free to skip this, about some important notes about when you see data regarding GDP or GDP per capita, is that some countries, let's say, they grow by 4.2%. Maybe some grew by 4.1. Maybe some a little more at 4.3. Some people will say, hey, it's just maybe this is country A, country B, and country C. Maybe country C just grew 0.1% more than country A. It's not much. Or maybe country A just grew 0.1% more than country B. It's not much. But yeah, it's not much in the short run. But notice that in the long run, these little changes, these 0.1, 0.3, 0.2 changes compound, right? They compound. They have compound interest because the interest, not interest, but the growth will, let's say country A for year 1 grows 4.2%. Year 2, let's say it grows by 3%. It will grow 3% on this 4.2%. So you're technically earning interest on interest. That's the logic of it. So remember, different small growth rates make a dramatic effect in the long run. Why? Because growth rates compound. So that's the big idea. So that's it about GDP per capita. And I hope it helps. Thank you for watching.